Good day everyone. Today we'll present a role-play scenario showcase exceptional guest service. Our team will demonstrate how to handle a challenging guest interaction with professionalism, empathy, and effective communication, while highlighting active listening, problem solving, and the importance of understanding the guest perspective. This scenario emphasizes the crucial role of excellent guest service in maintaining positive customers' relationship even in difficult situations. We hope this demonstrate will be both informative and engaging. Hotel lobby. Lolita approached the front desk visibly agitated.
I'm absolutely furious. My room 307 is disaster, and the air conditioning isn't working. And there are many bags everywhere. And the bathroom is flooded. I'm so sorry to hear that, ma'am. I understand this is really frustrating. Can you please tell me more about what's happening? I've been calling for help for over an hour. It's unbearably hot. I can see it. And the whole room smells awful. This is unacceptable. I completely understand your frustration, ma'am. It sounds like your room needs immediately attention. Let me check someone to help you right away.
Faults maintenance.
Rainier, we have a situation in room 307. The guest is reporting a malfunction air condition, face infestation, and a flooded bathroom. Please go there immediately.
Okay, ma'am. I understood. I'll be there 5 to 10 minutes.
Excuse me, Ma'am Lolita. The maintenance is on the way. They address the issues as soon as possible. In the meanwhile, would you like a comfortable area? Fine, but I expect this to resolve this immediately.
A few minutes later, Rainier returns.
Ma'am, I fixed the air conditioning and deals with the bugs. The plumbing issue requires more time, but I've stopped flooding and will return shortly to complete the return.
Thank you, Rainier. Ma'am, we sincerely apologize for the inconvenience. While the bathroom repair is underway, I would like to offer you a complimentary upgrade to a suite room with a similar view for the remainder of your stay. A suite? Well,
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Marilyn. I'm the hotel manager. I understand there have been some significant issue with your room. We deeply regret this experience. Please accept or sincerely apologize. We value your business and we want to ensure your stay is as pleasant as possible.
Harry, I'm here to assist if you needed. Excuse me, ma'am. Is there anything else? Don't hesitate to call our team.
okay, a suite will be better than this.
Excellent. Miss Villar, please upgrade the room of Miss Lolita. Well, we also provide you with a complimentary dinner and a discount on your next stay with us.
Certainly, ma'am. Let me take care of that for you.